Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the update now. You check your device OS version. If it's older than the required release, plan the OS update first. Once done, back up your keyboard settings and personal dictionary so you don't lose custom entries. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection and your battery is above 50% or keep the device plugged in. Now open Settings, go to Keyboard or System Updates, and tap to search for new emoji packs or font/keyboard updates. You continue by locating the keyboard or input method app that handles emoji. If you use a third-party keyboard, open its app. If you rely on System Keyboard, go to Keyboard Settings. Download the emoji or font pack. Grant permissions when asked so the keyboard can read fonts and access language data. Once the download finishes, select the new emoji set in the keyboard's theme or font menu. Make sure to enable it in Input Methods and restart the keyboard to apply changes so new glyphs render correctly. You finish by verifying the update across apps. Open Messages, a Notes app, and social apps to confirm new emojis display and can be selected. If some glyphs appear blank or as squares, clear the keyboard cache and restart the device. If that fails, reinstall the keyboard app or reapply the font pack. Make sure to restore your personal dictionary if entries were lost. If problems persist, record the device model, OS version, and keyboard version. Then report the bug to get targeted support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.